get that, because in that way it will keep all of your crystals and yours chain charms stay in one place. I go ahead and put the one layer of the condensed glue gel first, and then follow along with the no wipe top coat. Okay, and place that. It looks like this pumpkin is not creepy at all. It's like at least that it's showing like, hey, I'm happy. All right, I'm gonna place that right there. Flash key for 30 seconds. And then again, start with condensed glue gels again. So with this, you doing it for yourself, it's gonna be so cool and stunning. If you are doing it for clients, then you can able to get it, you know, like upsells your services and add it more for your appointment without spending like 2, 3, 4, 5 hours to doing that. So next one, I'm gonna apply some condensed glue gel. Sorry, pumpkin, I'm gonna do it a little bit because I need it right on the face of the pumpkin. And then I just applied the condensed glue gel and then no wet top coat. I tried to show all the products just in case you are watching it at nighttime when your kids going to bed. You don't want to bother anyone. At least you still see that what I'm using, so it won't confuse you. Okay, so okay, next we are going to get the super, I don't know, I think it looks cute though. It's not look creepy, but I can't deal with like, it's a nail art. It looks so cool. It's not that creepy, scary. Look, she or he grab perfect on that pumpkin face. Oh, sorry, it's not keying yet. So you can use a flash key first, because sometimes your clients, oh, Nancy is so pretty, and then they move so much to the point that the pumpkin falling off. So you just get it and then flash key it again. Look at that, she's poking her eyes perfectly, because she's like, you want the mean pumpkins, I'm gonna poke your eyes. All right, go back with condensed glue gels. It's super simple. Don't think it too overwhelmed. Just like make it simple. But I do each step, so then that way you can follow each step. And then it's just gonna be like this, and it stay on. This one had the school. This one had the pumpkins. Spider. All right, now we're gonna do whole nails. I'm so excited today. You know what? I couldn't sleep because I wanted to do it for you, this design. I don't know, it's weird. So today I can sleep well. And then tomorrow I'm gonna do another design for you. And I won't sleep if I don't show you, because I'm so excited for this season. And I hope you all enjoy and really having fun. And for all of you on nail techs that really want to do a lot of cool fun designs without frustrated and stressful about this, it's going to be for you. So I'm even like, you can even coat this, okay? Charm, you can coat it, but don't coat it on the top of the crystal. Like this, I do not coat. But you can coat in the charms and the frame. It is okay, not on the crystal, because you don't want to destroy the crystal sparkle and shines and everything else. So, well, I'll add just a couple of the glow in the dark crystal again with my tray here. I take it out because I don't want to open my tray so many times, because I might accidentally spill it. So I know myself so well, so I put it in there. Okay. Do you have some beads there? You can add some beads on. Is that easy? I don't know how long that take if you video it, and how long you think each nail is, like 2 minutes, 5 minutes. As long as it doesn't take 5 hours, we'll be fine. All right, in there, and then we're gonna give her like him. Like it's really cool. Big one right there. That's one. Maybe we should do it like right there, and put beads on it. You know, a lot of you will ask where is the best place to put the beads. Just right between your frame and the charms, and between your crystal, and between your crystal and the frame and charms. Just make sure they are connect tight together. You don't want your crystal to be in the north and your beads is down to the south. You know, you want them to be next to each other. So then it's created this really cool like kind of a channels. So then they are not only stay on really cool and tight, but then also it's gonna looks really cool, like a more like a jewelry look. Right. Good. How everybody doing? I feel everybody quiet. Or it's just me talking too much. Here for 60 seconds. You happy with this? We're going to here for 60 seconds.